You hear the hissing noise?
Yeah.
Anytime you got a hissing noise, one of the ways to find it is by pinching out holes. If it gets worse, I'll stop. You found the hissing noise. You found the problem. If I start over here, PCB, I start here. No. Back in. No. You just pinch off hoses. See, the hissing noise goes away. Brake booster. No. Yeah, I hear the hissing noise, right?
Yeah, I can hear that.
No. Now watch, I'm going right here. Yeah, cool. You hear it go away?
Yep.
You hear it?
Yeah.
See it go away?
Yep.
That means where this line's connected to is leaking. So that's a vacuum source right here. So wherever it goes at, it's leaking. As soon as I pinch it off, the car, look at it, smooth, it runs better, and the hissing noise goes away.
Yeah.
Alright? I go follow this line. Right here.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
So they say you keep
Fix the.
pinching it out, and it'll stop. And if you pinch it over here, and if the problem wasn't there, it'll keep making that noise.
Yeah,
Right?
exactly. Probably gotta cut it.
Yeah, it's good.
Cut it, trim it down, put it back on there. Use this as a color.
Where's the vacuum come from? Oh, it's being pulled from over there, right?
I think it is. No? No more hissing noise, and no more PO171 lean. Oh, lean code, I should say.
Man, I didn't know how difficult I find it unless you start.
Just put this on.
Okay. Another successful
You must
fix.
have looked at